Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to grow dry fruit business using WhatsApp. So let's take an example that you own a dry fruit business. You have created a Facebook page to advertise your business and you are running ads on that page. A lot of people are showing interest in your dry fruit business advertisement, and with those ads you are getting lots of leads on a daily basis. But you are unable to reply or message to those leads and lose lot of potential clients. Now you want to reply all those leads on their WhatsApp along with a brochure or flyer link of your business. In this way you will be able to interact with each and every lead quickly, which can ultimately bring more sales and profit to your business. For doing this, you have two options. First, do it manually. Take the details of your leads or your customers from the Facebook lead ad form, compose a message in WhatsApp, attach your dry fruit business brochure and send it to the customers. But this will be a time-consuming and a tiresome process, and it becomes difficult when you have large number of leads in a single day. So how you are going to do this? The second option is you can create an automation so that whenever a Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically your dry fruit business brochure is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. But here there is a problem that there is no direct connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. So how to do this? As a solution, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So basically Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Facebook lead ads with WhatsApp automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can do this very easily. So let us check this in the real time. So this is the Facebook page I have created, that is A&M Dry Fruits Shop. This is the Facebook lead ad form, dry fruits brochure form, and this is the form actually looks like. This is the brochure, dry fruits brochure, which I have saved into my Google Drive, and this is the WhatsApp number of the customer. So now I want that whenever a customer fills this particular form, automatically the brochure which is saved into my Google Drive, it should be shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer over here. So let us just fill the form on the name of some customer, that is Adam Smith 11@gmail.com. Let's give the full name as Adam Smith and let us give the phone number over here and let's click on next, submit. Okay, thanks, you're all set. Now let's check the WhatsApp, and here we can find a new message. Hello Adam Smith, thank you for showing your interest in A&M Dry Fruits Shop. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message. We can find all the services which we offer in our dry fruit shop. A link is given. For more details, you can visit our website. Our website address is mentioned. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards A&M Dry Fruits Shop. Okay, so our message is sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. Now let us check this link also. And here I can find a dry fruits brochure is shared with the customer on his WhatsApp number. So here you might be wondering that I just filled this particular form over here and automatically a message is sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer along with the brochure link. So how did I manage to do this? Let me tell you, I have done this in just 3 simple steps and anyone can do this very easily. So I'm going to show you the steps now. Step 1. Connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook lead ads. So first we have to go to Pabbly Connect and we have to create an integration between Pabbly Connect and Facebook lead ads. Step 2. Collect the data from Facebook lead ads form in Pabbly Connect. So at step 2, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the data from Facebook lead ads form. Step 3. Send the brochure to the lead on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So whatever the data Pabbly Connect has captured from Facebook lead ad forms, the same data will be used and your dry fruit business brochure will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customers. And here we are going to use 360 dialog software application for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So in this way we are going to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. So let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on Sign In. Here in the All Apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Here we have to give the workflow name. So let us give the workflow name as How to Grow Dry Food Business Using WhatsApp. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement, and now let's click on Create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger? What is this action? So let me tell you, Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a customer fills the Facebook lead ad form, automatically your dry food business brochure should be shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So here in the trigger window, we have to select the application name as Facebook lead ads. In the trigger event, we have to select new lead. Let's click on connect. Here click on add new connection and click on connect with Facebook lead ads. Authorization successful. And now Facebook lead ads are connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the page that we have created on the Facebook account and the lead generation form that we are running on this particular page to collect the leads. So we have to select this particular page, that is A&M Dry Fruits Shop in Pabbly Connect. So let us just type the same name, A&M Dry Fruits Shop. Now here we can see the lead generation form is automatically captured. Just because I have created one single form in this particular page, if you have created multiple forms, so from the drop down you can select the form whatever you want to select. Okay. Now before clicking on save and send test request, first we have to go to this lead generation form to collect the leads. That means to collect the response of any of the customer. Just because after clicking on save and send test request, it is going to capture the recent response. So I'll just go to the form and here let us just give the details as shikhaarya25@gmail.com. Let's give the full name as Shikha Arya and let's give her phone number over here. And now let's click on next, submit. Thanks, you're all set. Okay, let's go to Pabbly Connect and now let's click on save and send test request. And here we can see the responses received and the details that we have filled in the form, that is name Shikha Arya, her phone number and the email address is captured over here. Now we want to send the WhatsApp message, the dry food business brochure to this particular customer on this WhatsApp number. So let us come to the action window and here let us select the application name as 360 Dialog. In the action event, we have to select send template message. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the API key and domain. So let us read the instructions. Enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 Dialog account. Log into your 360 Dialog account. Move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on Generate API Key button. So let's go to 360 Dialog account over here. So this is the dashboard of 360 Dialog account. I have added the link of 360 Dialog in the description box. By clicking on that link, you can reach to 360 Dialog application and get 360 Dialog service at a very affordable price than the actual price. Here we have to come to WhatsApp accounts and here we can find Generate API Key option. So you have to simply click on this, generate the API key, copy that API key, go back to Pabbly Connect and paste the API key over here. Now once the API key is generated, the same API key can be used for various different connections and workflows. We don't have to generate the key again and again. In my case also, I have already generated the API key. Let's read the instructions for domain also. Enter the domain here which you will get while generating the API key. An example is also given. So we have to simply copy this example from here and we have to paste the example over here. Now whenever our account is approved, we get this particular domain name by default. In your case, if you get some other domain name, please paste that domain name over here. After pasting the API key here and domain name, simply click on Save. As I have already created a connection, I'll just go to this option, select existing connection and I'll click on Save. Okay, and now 360 Dialog is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the template. So you might be thinking, what is a template? So template is simply a message that we want to send on the WhatsApp number of the customer. As we cannot send the messages directly on WhatsApp, first we have to create a template, we have to get it approved, and once the template is approved, then only the messages can be sent on the WhatsApp number. That is the reason we have to select a specific template over here. So I'll just go to 360 Dialog account, and here we can find Manage Templates option. Click on this. Now here you can find I have created several templates and got it approved. If you want to create a new template, simply come to this plus sign and click on Add Template. Now here you can give the template name. From here you can select the template category. Various categories are available. You can select it as per your requirement. From here you can select the language of your choice. From here you can select the template type. Then give template body text over here. That is the message that you want to send on the WhatsApp number. Click on preview and submit. Then it will be going for the approval. And once it is approved, you can use this template for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So I'll just close this template and I'll simply open the one which I have already created and got it approved. That is Send Brochure Final template. Now here let us read this template first. Hello, one number is given. Thank you for showing your interest in. So here you might be thinking that I have given some numbers in the curly braces. So why these numbers are in the curly braces? Just because these are the body fields and the values of these body fields are going to change every time. Let's say hello, here we want the name of the customer. So the customer name is going to change every time. So that is the reason we have kept these numbers in the curly braces. Now let us read this template. Thank you for showing your interest in. Here your business name is going to come. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message. We can find all the services which we offer in our dry fruit shop. You can give that also. Link is given. So here you can give your flyer link or your brochure link. For more details, you can visit our website. Here the website address can be mentioned. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards. And here again your business name is going to come. So let us select this template Send Brochure Final in Pabbly Connect. So I'll just find the one, Send Brochure Final. Now here we can see the namespace and the language code is automatically captured. So we are not going to change anything over here. The next one is recipient mobile number. So the recipient will be the customer who is going to receive the WhatsApp message. So we have got the customer details here from Facebook lead ad forms. So we are going to map these details now, this name and this mobile number. So let us come to this WhatsApp and here let us just select the mobile number from Facebook lead ads and this is the mobile number. Now body field 1, example Heather Ali. Here in the template, the first parameter we require is the name of the customer. So let us map the customer name here in body field 1. That is Shikha Arya. Body field 2, example Pabbly Connect. Here in the template, thank you for showing your interest in. Here your business name is going to come. So we have to give the same business name, A&M Dry Fruits Shop. So I'll just go to body field 2 and I'll type the same name over here. Now body field 3, example software. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message where you can find all the services which we offer in our dry fruit shop. So let us just type the same here. Dry fruit shop. Okay. Now body field 4. Here a link is required. Here, yes, we can see the link in the template. So I have uploaded the dry fruit brochure in my Google Drive over here. So I'll simply right click on this and I'll click on share option. And here we can find get link option. Simply click on copy link. The link will be copied to clipboard. Go back to Pabbly Connect and paste the link over here. Body field 5, example, website address is mentioned. Here in the template also we need to give the website address as the 5th parameter. So you can give your website address, or else I'll just go to the Facebook page and I'll simply copy this URL. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll just give the URL over here. Now body field 6, example Pabbly. That's the name of a company, and here thank you, regards. Here again your business name is going to come. So the business name is A&M Dry Fruits Shop. So we have to type the same over here. And now let's click on save and send test request. And here we can see the responses received. So now let's move to WhatsApp and check whether the customer has received any message or not. And here we can see a new message. Hello Shikha Arya, thank you for showing your interest in A&M Dry Fruits Shop. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure. So the same message that we have created in the template is displayed over here on the WhatsApp number of the customer. Now this was the first body field value, Shikha Arya. We have given the customer name. This was the second value, A&M Dry Fruit Shop. The third we have given was Dry Fruit Shop. Fourth we have given was the link. Fifth we have given was the website address. And the last value we have given was the business name once again. So in this way we can see that all the values of the body fields are correctly displayed over here in this message. Now let us check this link also. And here we can find a dry fruit brochure is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. Okay. So now let's go back to Pabbly Connect and let us just save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now we have to check this in the real time. For that again we have to go to the Facebook lead ad forms and again we have to create one more entry on the name of some other customer. And here I have given the email address as akash44@gmail.com. I have given the full name as Akash Kapoor and I have given the phone number over here. Now let's click on next and submit. Thanks, you're all set. Okay, now we have to check the WhatsApp and here we can find a new message. Hello Akash Kapoor, thank you for showing your interest in A&M Dry Fruits Shop. One of our team members will contact you shortly. So the same message is sent on the WhatsApp number of this particular customer, that is Akash Kapoor also. Let us recheck this link. Okay, and here we can find the dry fruits brochure is shared with this particular customer also. So now in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine and the correct messages are going on the WhatsApp number of the customers. Now here one more important information I want to give you, that here you can see that the data has captured immediately. But sometimes this may take some time in fetching the data, as the trigger here, that is the Facebook lead ads, is polling based. So if your data doesn't get captured immediately, don't worry about that and please wait for 15-20 minutes patiently. The data will surely arrive. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So in this use case, we want that whenever the Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically your dry fruit business brochure should be shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. And here in this way, we have created a successful integration between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.